Hey, I'm at my apartment building and it just rained super hard and our street is like got a foot of water in it. I've never seen this before. I have to go get laundry, so I'm gonna walk through it, which I'm not super excited about. Uh, but here's a guy coming through. There's a persistence in Thailand that's admirable. It's crazy. It rained for maybe like, I don't know, 40 minutes to an hour, and now there's just an incredible amount of water. So I guess I'll show you guys more of it when I get down there. Uh, got more thunder coming. See how that goes. So here we are at ground level. My parents are checking out the flooding.
Yeah.
Mom and Dad. So I have no cuts or anything on my shins and feet, so I'm gonna walk through it to go get my laundry. But I'll show you guys a little piece of it as I go. It's like I'm on the beach. This speed bump that's creating like a little waterfall.